With over 35 years in diamond manufacturing, a global clientele, and a stringent regard for ethics, the Sheetal Group is a customer-centric company where values lead business. Founded in the 1980s by Mr. Govind Bhai Kakadia, Sheetal Group has galloped to success with his vision and sheer excellence. Today, Sheetal Group is one of the world's largest volume manufacturer of polished diamonds. Sheetal Group's global footprint, spread across India, Hong Kong, USA, Dubai and Belgium, has widened its sales and distribution network. 6 state-of-the-art manufacturing units spanning 600,000 square feet in Surat, India, modern machinery, fully integrated systems, and over 10,000 skilled artisans form strong pillars of the Sheetal Group. This facilitates Sheetal Group to produce 1 million carat polished diamonds in a year. Their association with major diamond mining companies like De Beers, Rio Tinto, Alrosa, and others enable them to source and distribute diamonds consistently in volume and variety. Through strict personal quality check on each stone, Sheetal Group only sources conflict-free diamonds from legitimate mining companies in Canada, Russia, Africa and Australia, upholding their regard for best practices while conducting business. Sheetal Group has always updated its systems and business models to keep pace with modern advancements. High-level technology, laser machine, and well-equipped rough planning units lead to efficient conversion of rough diamonds to superior quality polished diamonds and a reduced production cycle. Economies of scale and automated manufacturing processes enable Sheetal Group to provide polished diamonds at highly competitive prices. A step in the digital era is their one-stop shop e-commerce website and mobile app enabling customers to buy diamonds without human interaction. A wide collection of diamonds spanning various colors, cuts, carats, shapes and sizes can be purchased from their certified inventory online. High-definition photos and videos provide a crystal clear vision of the stones, making the buying process easier. The company firmly believes in the empowerment of women and considering corporate social responsibility as a pillar of their ever-growing success, the Sheetal Group has built schools, colleges, libraries, hospitals, and also provided environmental support with dams, conducted tsunami relief matches, and more. The Lakshmi Ben Lalji Bhai Kakadia Hospital in Ahmedabad was inaugurated by Mr. Narendra Modi. Recognizing their contribution to the diamond business, the company has been bestowed with the Prime Minister's Export Award, Girnar Award, and numerous others by the Indian Ministry of Commerce. With nearly 4 decades of unprecedented success and ethical business practices, Sheetal Group is where values lead business.